Hey all, in this video, we'll try to learn sentence decoding based questions. And this step will lead you to solve new pattern questions in coding and decoding. Let us start. So very simple topic, but better to learn once again. I play cricket is coded as form, dom, com. Cricket is fun is coded as tom, nom, dom. They play hockey is coded as com, rom, pom. Then find the code word for I. So friends, in such cases, try to compare the statements and try to decode the common words. So here if I compare first statement, second statement, cricket is common word and dom is common. So let us write cricket as dom. And always remember, in the previous lectures, you have taken the data in corresponding order. First is first, second is second, like that. But in this case, it is not possible. You should compare the statements, try to take the common words, and then try to take the decoded word for that. Play is present in the first statement and third statement, and com is common word for it. So we can decode play as com. So out of the three words in the first statement, two words are done. So I is the only word left and form is the only coded word left. So we can code I as form. Right? So in this way, we will try to work out. Let us solve 5 to 6 numericals so that you'll better understand. Okay, now some words are there with some digits. You should find out letters with the digits position. The best thing is try to take a word which has repeated letters. Friends, can you see here? There are two T's and two Phi's. Means what? We can code T as a Phi. Two T's are there, two Phi's are there. So in all statements, in all words, erase T as Phi. So strike off T, strike off Phi. T, Phi. T, Phi. Next, if you see the third word, there are two E's and two 4's. So let us write E as 4. Once this step is done, in all words, erase E and 4. Strike off E, 4, E, 4, E, 4. So friends, can you see the first statement, the first word and third word, A is common and 7 is common digit, right? So we can say that A is 7 and wherever A is there, strike off that. A is 7, A is 7. In the last word, only R is remaining and number 2 is remaining. So let us write R as 2. And in any other words, if R is there, strike off that, make it as 2. So here R is 2 done. In this R is 2 done. Now friends, here only I letter is left and digit 8 is left. So we can say I as 8. And here I is 8 done. And in the word T is S is remaining. Here S is remaining. The common number is 3, friends. So we can say S as 3. And in the second word, only V is remaining. So V is coded with the digit 1. So this is the process to solve the questions, friends. So let's go with a few more questions. I'm going to solve some of the best questions in this topic. Let's go to this next question. Now let us make a little difficulty in this. When more sentences are there with more words, you may confuse. Let's try to work out. So let us try to decode the common words, friends. So here inflation is there. Here inflation is there, right? What is a common decoded word in this? Can you see tick is common? So let us write inflation as tick. Inflation as tick. Now, what about other word? Can you compare any growth here, growth here, growth here? Can you see pi, pi, pi? So let us write growth as pi. And friends, in the first statement, only slow is left. Slow is chi. So slow is what? Slow is chi. Okay. Can you compare first and last? Not is present here. Not is present here. So can you see not is dick, right? DIC. So let us decode not as DIC. Okay. Now can you see third statement have the word achieved. Here also you have the word achieve and B is common, BEE. So which means what, friends? You can write achieved as BEE. And can you see in the last statement, only target is left, target is MO. So we can decode target as MO, mo. So do you have any other way, any other word mo? No. Let's see desirable word. So desirable is here. Desirable is in the third statement as well. And the common word is only su, su. So we can write desirable as su, right? Okay. Now, can you see in the third one, can is present, can is present. So what is a common word? You have Lee, right? So that means we can decode can as Lee. Now, let us go for the next statement. Now, the only word is B here, and the only decoded is ho. So we can write B as ho, right? And can you say effect is the only word left in this, and the only decoded word left is ku. So we can say effect is ku. Now, friends, I think we decoded all the words, right? Now, E is the only word left. Ni is the only decoded. So we can say is with ni. Once if this format is done, so let me erase all this. Now I'll show you how can you have questions on this, right? So question format is very important in this. Okay, what's the first question? What is the word for effect? So effect is a ku, right? So second option is correct. What is the word for ni? So ni is coded as is in the word. So is means second option. What is the code for is target can be achieved or not? So in this, the coded words can be jumbled, guys. They no need to be in a specific order. So is means ni. Ni should be an option. Here ni is not there. In this ni is there. Here ni is not there. Because why I'm eliminating is with coded with ni, right? So ni should be one of the option, one of the decoded word in the option. It doesn't have. It doesn't have. Okay. What is second one? Target. So target is what, friends? Target is more, right? So more is present here. Even more is present here. Okay, let's compare. Let's continue. Next one is can. So can means Lee, right? So here Lee is not there. Lee is present here. B means ho. Ho is present. Achieved means B, and B is also present. So it is having all five decoded words. So third option makes sense with this. So please remember, they can be jumbled. They can be jumbled. They need not be in specific order all the time, right? Let's continue. Slow affects inflation. So do the same thing. So what is the code word for slow? Code word is chi. Affects means ku. Inflation means tick. So chi ku tick. Second option makes sense, right? So like that, you need to decode the friends. Let's continue one more question. Now sentences with numbers are given. What's the best thing? Pause the video, try to solve on your own. If not, you can watch it. So now you have to compare the statements for the common words, right? So here, right is present in this and in this. And the only common number is 9, right? So right is 9. Sorry, I should erase 9, right? So I right is 9. So let us write as 9. Okay, let's see always. You have always in the first one and the last one, right? And 4 is present here. So we can decode always as 4. Here only is left. Is 7, right? So is 7 then. Okay. Now can you see terms and terms, and only one is common. So we can decode terms as 1. Now compare. Let's continue with this. The same process. So here 2 is common. 2 is common. And 3 is common here, right? So 2 means 3. Now here only B is left. The number only 2 is left. So B means 2. Here only come left, 8 left. So come is coded with the number 8. Just is present in this statement. In this statement, only 6 is common. So we can decode just with the number 6. Here only word is or, only number digit is 0. So or is coded with 0. Okay. Now, do you have anywhere is guys? Also, do you have anywhere? So we don't have anywhere also. That means what? Is, and also there should be vice versa. If E is 7, also is 5, or if is 5, also is 7. I think we strike off all things, right? This is done. 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 Yes. So this is vice versa situation, friends. We don't have any exact clarity about that. So let us continue with the questions there. We'll try to understand in detail what is the meaning of this vice versa situation, right? So let's go for the first question. Okay, com, right? What is the first question? Com. What is the word for com? 8. That is done. Always be right terms. So always is what? Always is 4. Be is 2. Right is 9. And terms is 1. So means what? 4, 2, 9, 1 should be in option. So they can be jumbled as well. So 2, 4, 1, 9 is there, right? So you need to have same digits in jumbled pattern as well. That can be correct answer. So fourth option makes sense in this question. So let's go for the next question. Okay, what is the code word for 86315? So 8 means what, friends? 8 means come. So come should be present. It is not there. It is not there. It is not there. Only 3 and 5 make sense because come is 8, right? So if it is showing 8, come word should be in the option. Okay, that is done. Now 6 is what, friends? 6 is just, right? Here just is present. Here it is not there. So third option makes sense. No need to check further because if 4 of the options are not correct, fifth one should be correct. That's the reason, right? So let's continue with the next question. Okay, this is important, right? Okay. What is the word for right? So right is 9, right? Okay. Okay, let's go. I think we didn't use is and also. Sometimes they can frame by using is and also, but sometimes may not. Now let us do this. The same process, friends. Try to compare the common words. So here bank is common. Bank is common. So BK is there. So we can write bank as BK. You please solve the same process quickly. Now systems is present in first statement, third statement, and systems is SS. So we can say systems as yes. Now in is the only word left. At is the only word left. So we can say in as at. Can you see the word new here and new in the third statement as well? And only word common is na. So we can say new as na. Banking is the only word left. TP is the only coded word left. So we can say banking as TP. TP. Okay. Next, officer, and OR. So officer is OR, right? Okay, happy. So now uniform and in we don't have. So in is done, right? In is what? At. And the only word left is uniform. Uniform is yambo. So uniform, we can code it as yambo. So we hope we're done with all the words coding. Let's go for the questions now. So this way you can easily work out, right? So in the next videos, we'll try to show you the new patterns as well. Let us continue this video. So what is the word for bank? So bank is BK, option 3. BKRO represents what? So BK represents bank, OR represent officer. So together bank officer, second option correct. New uniform in bank. So we have the word new as na. So na should be present. It is there here. Okay, all words are having now. So uniform means what? Uniform means MU. MU is present in this. Okay, all present for MU. In means what? In means at. So at, here is also at. So bank means BK, right? So BK. So namu at BK. This makes sense, right? Here also namu at BK. They are present, but sometimes try to give the priority in a sequence. If they don't have in a sequence, then we'll go for alternatives. Here all are having the same BK at MU na. In such cases, this is one of the very important questions that I wanted to discuss. I wanted to highlight this. Why? Because sometimes all options may be having the same decoded words, but give the first priority the words which are in sequence. If the sequence is not there, then we'll go for alternate, right? Let's continue, friends. Next. So we have yet another question. So this question I'll discuss and I'll stop this because same model, right? So to make it perfect, we'll try to give at least 2 to 3 examples to each of the question. That's the reason. So here you have prepare and prepared, and the word common is DJ, DJ. So we can write prepare as DJ, right? And soon is the word which is present in the first word and the third statement as well. So what is the common decoded word? Ly, Ly. So we can say soon as Ly. Now can you see success word? Success is present in this. The only word is a common TN. So success is decoded as TN. And is the only word left, and is XS. And is XS. Now can you see results is present in this, and the word common is PS. Results is PS, right? I think MR is also present. Okay, let's see, you have one more word results here, right? What is the common word in all these three then? MR is present, right? MR, MR, MR. So results is MR, guys. Results is MR. Now, for PS, PS is common. We can say for as PS. Now is the only word left. JT is only left. So we can say now as DJ. Sorry, JT, right? DJ already done. JT, guys. So that's all right. So okay, our word is present here. Important is the only word left. Jedin is the only word left here. So important is Jedin. And we have another two words, or and awaited. So or and awaited. So here, friends, if or is BK, awaited should be RT. If or is RT, awaited should be BK. It is vice versa situation, right? Now let's see the first question. What is the code word for soon? Soon is Ly, right? Option 2. Prepare in the given language. What is the word for prepare in that language? Prepare is DJ, right? So I hope this time you can solve M number of questions. So this is one of the very important model that you can see in most of the entrance exam these days. So I hope that you understood. In the coming videos, we'll try to do the new models. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we wish you the best luck for your competitive exam preparation. So keep learning, keep inspiring friends.